Hello artists! Today we are going to be exploring line. There are so many different types of lines to learn about and use in art. When we use a lot of different types of lines in one art piece, we call this variety. We will be creating a fish drawing that uses line, shape, and color. To start, I'm going to need to do the fish body. So to do a fish body, I want it to be big, kind of like my paper. I'll just draw around my hand, maybe about the size of my hand. That will give me a fish body. And maybe I'm going to go back and make it a little bit darker. All right, that's my fish body. Then I need to add a tail fin, which is kind of a triangle shape. The next thing I will add is eyes. My fish also needs a mouth so he can eat. And fish sometimes have what looks like kind of like a backward C, like that. That's sometimes what fish lips look like. Sometimes they're just a straight line. All right, the next thing my fish needs, he needs to be able to breathe. And the way that fish breathe is with gills. I'm going to draw in a gill, which is a curved line, back usually somewhere behind the eyeball. So let's say maybe actually more like here. Some fish have one gill on each side and some have more than one. Next, I need to add a dorsal fin, which is on the top. Some fish have a second dorsal fin closer to the tail. Dorsal fins can be a lot of different shapes. You could draw it as a triangle. You could draw it as a rectangle. On the sides of their bodies, they have a pectoral fin on each side, right behind the gills. On the bottom, they have two fins down by their belly, one for each side. These are called the pelvic fins. And back by the tail, they have what are called anal fins, and there's usually two of them. Okay, so here's my fish. That's step one.